A good hammer is well designed, well balanced, and highly durable to boost your professional work experience on the run. In fact, sometimes you need one hammer to work with different materials for compact usability. But an all-in-one hammer is very hard to find among the many hammers out there. Hence, today, we've brought you a short list of the 10 best hammers so that you can have excellent performance and admiration for your soothing work. So, without further ado, let's get into the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
The SPIFFIRE 8-ounce is a user-friendly hammer for household work and small outdoor projects. You can take it anywhere as it fits in your jeans for quick access. Having 6.2 inch in length, this hammer is comfortable to hold for its tiny size. Also, a soft and short, non-metal grip presents you comfort while holding it. The weight of the head and handle are balanced to lessen your fatigue. Additionally, it has claws on its head in case you need to pull out misplaced nails. Since the hammer is made out of heat-treated alloy steel, it will not break easily to save your money. It has a mirror-polished surface, which enables it to be used in rough conditions without getting scratched. Then, its bright cheek head helps you to hit the nails clearly. Coming in at a very cheap price, the SPIFFIRE 8-ounce is perfect for your storeroom work. Furthermore, it's a good deal for the value of the portability. The Fiskars ISO Core 22-ounce is one of the pro-grade hammers according to its criteria. This hammer is ideal for a large job area that needs random nailing. It's a must-have for you if you're looking for a powerful hammer for your framing jobs. Therefore, this hammer is 16 inches long and can beat large nails with less energy required. Particularly, it has a longer handle to create energetic torque, and the IsoCore shock control system absorbs strike shock and vibration to reduce the impact your body takes. Moreover, a milled cheek head prevents the nails from slipping off the nails in wet conditions or during rainy seasons. Not only that, but also its forged steel hammer heads won't let you break it any sooner. Due to its unique head-to-handle ratio, the Fiskars ISO Core 22 offers excellent value for your usability and favorite projects. The Spec Ops SPEC is an exceptionally ballistic and balanced hammer for your maximum level of use. You can use the hammer for special tasks with full confidence. The hammer comes at 2.29 pounds in total, having a length of 16 inches, which is mechanically improved to be 25% lighter to provide sniper control swing. Along with that, you get a magnetic nail starter for rapid nail driving. Furthermore, this hammer has a versatile claw for nail removal, which makes it an all-rounder in its class. Combined with a milled cheek head and shock-absorbing grip, this hammer will give you toil-free striking capacity. Considering the specs, this high-carbon steel hammer is suitable for your heavy tasks. With over 100 times shock resistance and camouflaging ability, the Spec Ops SPEC will be valuable for tactical jobs. The Estwing Hammer 20-ounce is one of the most simple and compact hammers that can help you accomplish your carpentry work well. This hammer also has a vintage-looking design, which is preferable for old-school workers. Weighing a total of 1.25 pounds only, this hammer does the work for framers, finishers, roofers, carpenters, contractors, and serious DIY projects. Pleasantly, it has a genuine leather grip on the 15-inch handle that gives a retro and durable feeling. Equipped with a classic claw, the hammer helps you pull out nails, prying boards, demolition work, splitting wood, and so on. As the whole hammer is forged in one piece, it gives you longer durability along with more powerful striking ability. As well as being an American-made tool, the Estwing Hammer 20-ounce will provide you with a lifetime warranty with no such difficulty. So, if you're an old-school worker, the Estwing Hammer 20-ounce is a must-have for you. The Tecton 16-ounce is a ball pen hammer that is used in riveting work, shaping metal surfaces, and tools conveniently. Also, this hammer creates less vibration because of its fiber-coated grip. Since it's an 11.7-inch hammer, presenting the head and handle bonded with epoxy that gives you much more stickiness. Soft, non-slip rubber grip allows you to hold on firmly, and a lightweight fiberglass core dampens the vibrations in order to reduce overall hand pain. Similarly, its rounded shape head can straighten extra corners of nails. With a polished cheek head, it gives you protection from scratch, and a poly jacket protects the core from missed strikes. Coming in a total of 1.65 pounds and affordable price, the Tecton 16-ounce hammer can be your regular work buddy. The Craftsman CMHT comes with a strong reputation for craftsmen's previously built pro tools. This hammer is one of their best compact 2-in-1 tools, having a fiber core structure. The hammer has a 10.7-inch handle and weighs 1.61 pounds in total, which will feel much lighter in your hands. For the fiberglass protection, the hammer ensures the toughness and it's prone to break. Because of the standard claw on the top, you can pull out the wrong nails easily. Besides, an over-molded grip allows you to use it with more comfort than its predecessor. In the end, the Craftsman CMHT is a commercially usable hammer. If you're a woodworker, this hammer will let you have less fatigue work experience and will be of value for your labor. The Estwing Tenors 18-ounce is a simple but effective hammer in its line of work. This is a forged metal hammer for conducting special tasks. The hammer weighs only 1.13 pounds in total and a 12-inch overall length, which is also satisfying to carry and swing during work. But it is made for professional constructor to form and shape metal sheets, strike punches, chisels, and peen rivets. Likewise, it can control vibration by 70%, which will increase your productivity. Equipped with a shock reduction grip, the hammer is highly beneficial to machinists, metalworkers, blacksmiths, contractors, and tradesmen. As a result, the Estwing Tenors 18-ounce will come in handy in line of crafting or demolition work. Posing as a one-of-its-kind, this is a total value for industrial builders. The DeWalt DWHT is a mediocre but best in its performance according to its price. It's a rip claw hammer that allows you to have controlled swings while working. This is a total of 1.52 pounds and 13.2-inch length hammer that can cover up home to semi-pro level businesses with ease. Though it has a thin head claw, it can pull up some seriously bended wires or nails seamlessly. Aside from that, small nails can be beaten rapidly using this hammer. Undoubtedly, this hammer can be useful for perfect framing and DIY projects to complete your specific tasks. Having a balanced and molded grip, this hammer can give you proper balance for a much less stressful experience. As a result, the DeWalt DWHT51048 will be your pick for one-handed nail placement and small male pavement jobs. Considering the price, this is a value for heavy-duty home use. The IRWIN 16-ounce is a standard hammer to work with for long periods of time. This hammer is durable, compact, and premium in its family. Weighing a total of 1.54 pounds and a size of 16 inches, the hammer offers so many features for your productivity. It has a Pro Touch grip that provides good carrying capacity and high striking ability at the same time. Equipped with a smooth check head, the hammer leaves fewer marks on the spot so that you don't have cracked furniture. Also, the fiberglass made handle absorbs vibration and provides less fatigue. Additionally, the handle has a curvature which gives you room for preventing the hammer from slipping off. As a consequence, the IRWIN 16 is a perfect companion for framing and drywall essentials. And since it's an affordable and compact hammer, it will be valuable for your temporary and mid-level job. The Stanley Fat Max 16-ounce is a unique and featureful hammer, which made it our top pick. This hammer has some unique qualities which you will only get with Stanley's tools. The hammer weighs only 1.2 pounds in total, which gives you enormous comfort while swinging through. Admittedly, Stanley's torsion control grip technology reduces the effect of torque on wrists and elbows so that you don't have to suffer from injury while using the 13.1-inch hammer. Its one-piece forge still gives ultra durability to its lifespan. At the same time, a well-measured hammerhead and handle preserves the balance and gives a steady hammering experience. In addition, anti-vibe technology reduces the shake and increases the hit accuracy by 75%, which will no doubt boost your progress at work. Also, a strong rib claw assists in pulling out the largest nails and rods from any surface. Depending on the price, ability, and quality, the Stanley Fat Max 16-ounce is one of its kind, which will definitely accomplish your professional necessities. Finally, this hammer is a top value for your workshop and construction sites. So, that was the 10 best hammers for your home, workplace, or DIY projects.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Be sure to like, comment, and share the video with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to enjoy more videos like this on your feed.